Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox the Caremax Tens machine. So this one here comes in a box like this. So it is an electrical stimulator device. So here it is, Tens machine, EMS mode, and you got the massage mode. So let's see what's inside this box here. So this is the top of the box. So it's coming a tray right here, the black tray. So I'm just going to pull out the tray, and it's got some menu here. So it's got the user menu. So this is the treatment programs, not the menu, sorry. So this is the treatment programs right here that you can choose. So this is the sheet here. If you haven't got one, you can look at this right now. This is the menu. So the instruction menu for using the Tens machine. So let's see. So it is in English right here. So it comes in English menu. So you've got your troubleshootings, cleaning and maintenance. So we leave it to the side and we're going to check. So it comes with 4 pads. So there's only 4 pads in here. The pad is quite large. So there it is. It's got inside this pad here. It's got the connectors to the pad. And this is the back of the pad. Okay, what else does it come with? So it's got other cables here. So it's got the one USB cable. Probably used for charging the battery, and then you got the other connectors in here. So that's inside the package. So let's open it up and have a look inside. So this is a USB cable right here, and this is the cables. So this is the connector right here. Okay, so there's 2 of them, and finally if you turn around, this is the machine. Quite small, quite compact. You can easily fit this in your pocket. So there it is. So that is the machine right there, Caremax. And that's the back there. And you can see the top here, there is a port for the charging. It's got channel 1 and channel 2, and the port. And it is a cover. You can simply just take it off. So is that down there, and that's it. So I'm not sure how you turn this on yet, so we have to take a look. Okay, so I'm just gonna peel this part off. Just gonna peel off the cover. And I think this is the power button right here. If we're just gonna press and hold it, that turns on. There is a light right there. It's a bit hard to see. You can see it from this angle, but because of the light you can't actually see it. I'm just trying to see if you can see it. It's not very bright. Let's go inside. Okay, I've gone inside. Here it is. This is what it looks like. So it's got the P here. If you press on it, it goes to different programs. So you can see here, it's got program 1, 2, 3, and then U1. So if you go into program, let's see if you can press up and down. So on the neck, you got different program there. So we go to choose B for body. So this is different treatment for different body parts. So you got neck, shoulder, arm, and then hand. And then you got the back. So you can see the dot right there, tells you where you place this pad. So you choose body part, and then you got hips, leg, and then you place the pad where the dot is, and then foot, and then joint. So you place the pad where it shows the dot on the joint, and then if you press on the P, then it has different programs for toes, different body parts. And if you press on the channel CH buttons, it changes between different channels. So here you got A channel and B channel, and then this is both channels, so you can have both channel running at the same time.